open house is over, and I stayed a little bit later because, you know, I have to like put things away. So it got so busy that I had no time to record anything that was going on. So all of my students showed up, of course. So I was so happy because that was the whole point, you know. And I do feel bad because I didn't get to record anything that I did with my kiddos, you know. So I guess I'll just tell y'all, you guys are gonna have to use your imagination because I already like put everything away. Here they had to do this Busqueda. So they had to go to these places and then show, you know, like their table, their dot, by their dot, I mean este de aquí, then their mailbox, their cubby, their badge, the book that we've been working on to learn about the symbols of Texas, and their manualidades, and then take their seed home. This is what I mean by their manualidades, because this is all we did, all this Texas stuff. And then I wish I could show you guys the door, so I'm going to show it from far apart so that way you guys can't really see the pictures, but those are my kids' pictures with their faces. And then I guess I'm going to show mine, but that's it. So there I am. And then I did this. This says howdy. For their seed, this is the one that I mean, the one that my student teacher did before she left. And then she was standing right here, you know, giving it to them so they can take it home. And then they were showing, you know, like their fingers and things like that. And then she also had this booklet that I made. Well, she created it, in which is like the Five Little Monkeys, but with their picture and them running around the classroom, which it was super cute. So they took that home and they moved on to this one, which it was bull kind of thing, which they had to lasso around it and catch it and then just drag it, you know. Then they had to do this one. So yes, I inflated this and then this here. So they went all around the carpet. Finally, at this table, I had this right here, which is an inflatable too. And they had to like hoop this on the drink and then get their drink, which it was these. So yeah, that's what I had for activities for my kiddos to do while their parents were here. Now, I did not talk about any academics. I didn't talk about any of those things because, I mean, this was about them like getting to know their space, with their work, the routines, what they do, and show their work. And then, I mean, just like what they've been learning, you know, and I think they all enjoyed it and it was fun. I really liked it. I mean, now the bull, you know, on the pen, that was their favorite one. They like to ride that bull, y'all.